Let's start then. Hold on. Let me just share my screen. Oh, you guys can see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
Right. हाँ जी guys. So last week में तो काफी मार्केट्स गिरे हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड. सो क्या लगता है आप लोगों को क्या होने वाला है, क्या सीन है? Anyone?
अगर यूएस मार्केट पे तो थोड़ा रिकवरी लग रहा है देख के कि हाँ मार्केट में थोड़ा रिकवर होगा इस वीक.
और कोई? चलो एक वोटिंग करते हैं ना, देखते हैं आप लोग को क्या लगता है. Guys, you can see this voting.
Yes.
You guys vote on it. ये सेव नहीं हो रहा, आप लोग ऐसे ही बता दो वोट क्या ही करना है. क्या लगता है गाइस, फर्दर फॉल होगा, साइडवेज होगा या नए हाईज मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक में?
मतलब इस वीक तो थोड़ा साइडवेज लग रहा है मार्केट. बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट करेगा, बाकी निफ्टी तो नहीं लग रहा है कि ऊपर जाएगा.
एनीवन एल्स?
Sir, Bank Nifty looks good to go up. Same, Nifty doesn't look good, so I'm confused. क्योंकि Bank Nifty में further high है अभी, ऐसा लग रहा है.
ओके. और आकाश, अभिषेक, आमिर, क्या लग रहा है?
मुझे तो लग रहा है साइडवेज लग रहा है. बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा ऊपर जा सकता है बस, बाकी तो मुझे सारे स्टॉक्स लग रहे हैं साइडवेज.
इंडेक्स तो मुझे इररिलेवेंट लग रहा है अभी, क्योंकि इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक्स में ही ज्यादा गिरावट आएगा. ये 18 जैसा सिचुएशन लग रहा है.
ओके. ओके, देखो मेरे को तो जहां तक लग रहा है कि दिस इज अ बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड विल गो अप. ओके, एंड विल मेक न्यू हाई. दैट इज माय व्यू. व्हाई आई विल एक्सप्लेन नाउ. ठीक है. सो लास्ट वीक जो फॉल आया था, क्यों आया था? एनीवन?
ग्लोबल सेल ऑफ था भाई थोड़ा.
वही ग्लोबल सेल ऑफ क्यों
ग्लोबल
हुआ था?
मार्केट में
एक तालिबान का सिचुएशन था, दूसरा चाइना में वो क्रैकडाउन आईटी सेक्टर पे.
एनीवन एल्स? बहुत चीजें एसोसिएट कर सकते हो, ग्लोबली बहुत कुछ हुआ है. End of the day, the reason for fall in global markets was the rise in dollar. Okay, डॉलर इंडेक्स ने लास्ट वीक हाई बनाया था. दैट वाज द रीजन. ये जो डॉलर का मूवमेंट हुआ था पिछले पूरे 5 दिन डेली चार्ट है, ये जो 5 डेज मूवमेंट था लास्ट वीक का जिसमें डॉलर ने बैक टू बैक हाइज मारे थे, दैट वाज द रीजन फॉर इक्विटी मार्केट्स टू फॉल. नाउ द थिंग इज कि डॉलर इंडेक्स, इफ यू सी, इट इज इन इट्स सप्लाई जोन नाउ. Right now, if you see, dollar index is at its supply zone, so very strong supply zone. That's why my expectation is it will not cross it. Secondly, formation of candle भी बड़ी अच्छी हुई है, दोजी बनी हुई है, which shows that people were not interested in buying at the higher price, and actually the supply zone again looks like has kicked off, and we should now again see dollar coming down. Okay, this is the reason I feel markets will go up. Okay, now obviously this will be voided in case if dollar index moves up and कल को से daily chart में आपको एक closing dollar index को 93.8 के ऊपर मिल जाती है, then obviously yeah, then we are wrong and then we understand कि ठीक है, then markets will go down. Chances of that is very low because there's a very strong supply zone. Okay, काफी बार यहाँ से आके डॉलर इंडेक्स टम्बल हुआ है, एंड एक्चुअली ग्लोबली कोई ऐसा रीजन नहीं है डॉलर को बढ़ने का. बीच में वो थोड़ी अनसर्टेनिटी जो तालिबान वाली सिचुएशन थी उसकी वजह से आई, जिसकी वजह से डॉलर थोड़ा बढ़ा, बट अगेन इट हैज रीच्ड इट्स सप्लाई जोन एंड नाउ इट शुड बी ready to fall. Okay, so again now dollar index should fall and come here minimum. ठीक है, that is why I believe markets will go up. Okay, apart from that अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये काफी कोइंसाइडेड है कि जैसे ही डॉलर अपने सप्लाई जोन में जैसे पहुंचा है, मोस्टली सारे स्टॉक्स और इक्विटी मार्केट सारे अपने डिमांड जोन में. ठीक है, यूएस मार्केट से देखो स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो यूएस मार्केट ऑलरेडी अपने डिमांड जोन में आया, बाउंस बैक किया, रिकवर कर चुका है, काफी कर चुका है. ठीक है, तो यूएस ने ऑलरेडी रिकवरी दे दी है. ठीक है, S&P 500 का ये चार्ट है. ठीक है, सेम ही चार्ट है जो ऊपर वाला चार्ट था, सेम ही चार्ट है. ठीक है, तो यूएस ऑलरेडी रिकवरी दे चुका है अपने डिमांड जोन से. अगर आप यूरोप देखोगे तो यूरोप ने उतना फॉल ही नहीं किया. यूरोप ने भी अगर इसका भी अगर डिमांड जोन एक बनाओगे, सो यू विल गेट इट्स डिमांड जोन समवेयर हियर, क्योंकि ये लेवल ब्रेकआउट लेवल था, यहीं से यूरोप ने ब्रेकआउट किया था, नीचे आया, टेस्ट किया, वापस ऊपर क्लोज हुआ, विच इज अ बुलिश सिग्नल. ठीक है, सो यूरोप इज आल्सो शोइंग रिकवरी एंड वेरी क्विक रिकवरी. ठीक है, काफी बाइंग हुई है, विक देखो कितनी लंबी है. ठीक है, फिर आप ऑयल्स देखो, क्रूड ऑयल का फ्यूचर्स अगर देखो, ये देख लो या ये इंडिया वाला देख लो, ऑयल भी ऑलमोस्ट अपने डिमांड जोन के पास ही है. मतलब हो सकता है कल मार्केट खुले, थोड़ा सा ऑयल नीचे आया, फिर वापस ऊपर जाना शुरू हो जाए. सो दिस इज द डिमांड जोन ऑफ ऑयल. ठीक है, ऑयल का ये देखो, ये डिमांड जोन है ऑयल का, क्रूड का, दिस इज द डिमांड जोन. ऑयल ऑलरेडी 4630 पे 100 पॉइंट और मैक्स गिरेगा और उसके बाद ऊपर जाना शुरू. So this is also ready to come near its demand zone and then ready to go up. ठीक है, डॉलर इंडेक्स like we discussed has reached its supply zone. देखो ये supply zone है इसका, and now it is now ready to move down. ठीक है, so looking at all this, my view on the market is that this is the time to go long on beaten down stocks, beaten down large caps. Okay, and market is going to make now new fresh highs. That is the view. Okay, चलो अपने सारे इंडेक्स देख लेते हैं, निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी सारे. एनी
अगर भाई
वन एनी
लोग वेटिंग कर रहे हैं बाहर, मैसेज आ रहा है उसमें टेलीग्राम में.
या कैन यू बी अ बिट लाउड?
ना वो टेलीग्राम में लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं ना, बाहर वेट कर रहे हैं मीटिंग में.
कोई नहीं है यार वेटिंग रूम पे.
Sir, Praveen wants to join in.
Praveen have already admitted.
Okay, so then that was the last message.
Okay, Praveen is already there. Anyone else?
Yes, I joined. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, man. Yeah, so so this is the view right now. Okay, the next week, okay, I am expecting markets to now rebound because like we discussed, डॉलर इंडेक्स इज ऑलरेडी एट इज सप्लाई जोन। ये जो अभी फॉल हुआ था लास्ट वीक, दैट वाज ओनली कॉज्ड बाय द increase in the cost of dollar. Okay, if you see the dollar 5 दिन increase हुआ है, 1 2 3 4 5, and these are the 5 days which caused havoc amongst all this, equity markets, and that's why we saw equities fell. But very clearly dollar index has made a doji. It's in the supply zone, kind of a confirmation. You will also see a confirmation on this uh, divergence also. You can see on RSI. This was the last time the high was made. RSI value is here. This time you see the RSI value is here. There's a big divergence on RSI also. So combining this all shows, gives us a very clear message that dollar in rise in dollar is done, and now it should start its downward journey, and so will the equities markets. Very clearly we can see that in US market it is shown a fast recovery. Okay, same is in Europe. Almost all big markets, same. Oil like we discussed, very near its demand zone, can come down and a bit and then ready to move up. Okay, any queries guys here until now? Clear है?
डॉलर इंडेक्स हाई है, लेकिन यूएसडी आईएनआर वो तो लो ही है अभी, प्रीवियस हाई से काफी लो है, 1.3% लो है।
करेंसी पेयर मत देखा करो, इंडेक्स देखो। इसीलिए क्योंकि करेंसी पेयर बाकी भी चीजों पर डिपेंड करता है, वो सिर्फ डॉलर पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है, राइट? अब इंडिया की करेंसी स्ट्रांग हो गई, strong as in sense of economy. If your economy is recovering, your economy is strong. Okay, so your currency's value will also get strong. Okay,
फ्राइडे
in
को
that,
ट्रेंड लाइन से रिवर्स लिया है नीचे तरफ।
हाँ तो अच्छी बात है ना, that is good only ना।
हम्म।
USD INR, उसमें उसकी वैल्यू कब बढ़ेगी? जब INR कम होगा, राइट? या USD कम हो। रिवर्स हो रहा है मतलब गिर रहा है, कम हो रहा है कब होगा? जब INR की वैल्यू बढ़ी, राइट? रुपी क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में है ना, रुपी अगर बढ़ रहा है दैट इज गुड फॉर द कंट्री। ओके, ठीक है, सो क्लियर है गाइस ये। So view on the market is I'm expecting market to now resume its rally, make new highs. Okay, now obviously all of this is basis that dollar index doesn't go past the high it made in the last week. If dollar starts moving above the high it made in the last week, in that case we will see significant fall in equity markets. Okay, so keep that in mind. Clear guys? By the
Yes.
way, who is making notes today? Because I think, yeah, who is making notes today, guys? Anyone who is making notes today? Anyone here, please volunteer to make notes and distribute it to the group.
So I'm sorry, I cannot make because my sister is in hospital. So
No issues. Anyone else who can make notes today? So then you guys make your own notes. Okay, everyone make your own notes. What else? Okay, let's go on to our own indices, Nifty. So the Nifty broke up from this level, then it went up, it consolidated here, went up, now again it was falling. So now this level becomes important for Nifty. This was again a breakout level. So now this level becomes important for Nifty as support. So jab tak Nifty is above this 16,300 levels, tab tak Nifty is bullish. Okay. Nifty will become bearish only if it goes below 16,200. Okay, below 16,200 if we see a close on Nifty. This is the reason. If we see Nifty closing below this reason, that's when it becomes bearish. This is the reason in which you will not take any trade. Okay. Above this 16,300, it is bullish. We'll look to buy. Between 200 to 300, if Nifty is there, avoid it. Okay, it will just be a sideways market. Below 200, if Nifty closes, we'll go short. Okay. So that's the trade plan on Nifty. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. And if you guys have any queries, let me know. Okay. So this is the trade plan in Nifty. Nifty also looks very bullish as of now. It doesn't look like we are going to fall anymore. We can see a little bit of retracement again, just to come near 16,300 level अगर हुआ तो, but जब तक 16,300 के ऊपर है, don't look at selling. Okay, it is bullish. बैंक निफ्टी पे आते हैं. बैंक निफ्टी में अगर देखो तो ये साइडवेज मूवमेंट है. This sideways movement is within two parallel lines. So बैंक निफ्टी is also very closer to its demand zone. So अगर बैंक निफ्टी में एक डिमांड जोन बनाना हो मुझे, let me just let me if I have to make a demand zone in Bank Nifty, it would be somewhere here. Okay, this would be my demand zone in Bank Nifty, which is again very closer to where we are. We are at around 35,000. Demand zone is around 35,440. So हो सकता है मंडे को आपको एक स्लाइड गैप डाउन दिखे एंड उसके बाद रिकवरी मिले. वेरी पॉसिबल कि मंडे को निफ्टी 100 पॉइंट नीचे खुले, बैंक निफ्टी 500-600 पॉइंट नीचे खुले, एंड देन यू सी बाइंग फ्रॉम देयर. Okay, on a Elliott wave pattern, if you see, looks more like ये 1-2 है, ये थर्ड वेव है, ठीक है, और या तो ये फर्स्ट वेव ऑफ थर्ड वेव है, और इसमें 1-2 हो गया है, और ये दिस इज नाउ थर्ड वेव का 1-2. लेट मी जस्ट मार्क इट, तब आपको समझेगा. This looks like is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole looked like 1, 2, and then this hole will be 3, 4, 5, and this hole is looking like is of this one. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. समझा guys? And like we discussed, second wave में fall काफी fast होता है, which we can see here. So probably this is the second wave. Okay, now if this comes below this, then in that case, obviously this analysis is wrong. Okay, we'll have to relocate it. But at the end of the day, this is a very strong demand zone. And if Bank Nifty even falls, and if Bank Nifty you find somewhere around 34,300 levels, you should look to buy. You should not sell it. Okay. So Bank Nifty look to buy if it comes somewhere around 34,300 levels. Okay, this is the level you have to keep in mind. अगर कल को gap down भी होता है, so you should try and buy it around these levels, not short it around here. Okay, so that is the message in Bank Nifty. Again, look to go long. Will be short on Bank Nifty only if we see a close below 33,900. Only if we close below 33,900, then Bank Nifty is a short. But if we see somewhere around 34,200, 300 level Bank Nifty, that is the point you should buy and not sell. Don't look to sell, look to buy. Selling will only be below 33,900 levels. ठीक है? Clear guys? IT में तो clear cut breakout continuation है. Again, no signs of weakness on IT. ठीक है. There is no weakness. Very good buys. If you are holding any IT stocks, keep holding. No signs of weakness on IT stocks as of now. Okay. Even dollar index बढ़ा, उसका भी फायदा ही हुआ IT index को, and that was clearly visible. इस week सिर्फ IT stocks में ही high पे high बना है. ठीक है. Now going forward, like we are expecting dollar index to come down, so there might be a little bit profit booking in IT. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you will go and short IT. whenever there is a profit booking, you should look to re-enter at the lows. Okay, so if you draw a trend line on IT index, okay, it might happen that next week you see this index see a little bit profit booking and come near the trend line. This is where you should look to buy. Okay, because the index is still strong. Only cause of dollar, it might see a little bit of headwind and we might see a little bit of profit booking in IT index. That was the reason I asked you guys to book profit in TCS. Okay, so don't look at entering new positions in IT में जो existing positions हैं, look to book them out. Okay, don't look to carry them. And सब में सारे stocks हम discuss करेंगे, so we'll see individually क्या करना है. But mostly, yeah, don't look to re-enter as of now. Look at re-entry only near the trend line. But yeah, don't short it at all. Don't short IT stocks. ठीक है? Metals थोड़ा tricky है. Metals में थोड़ा problem है. So metals तो like last month ही मैंने बोला था, this looks like the last leg of rally. Now there are mixed signals. Metals में also looks like कि हाँ rally is over and there should be a drop. And if that is the case, we can see significant drop in metals. Okay, but at the same time, this might also turn out to be a small correction and we can see an extended fifth wave. Okay, so अगर extended fifth wave हुई तो फिर we can see again a resumption of the rally. ठीक है, so both cases are there. So metals not very clear as of now. ठीक है, so we'll wait for further signals to understand कि long जाना है, short जाना है. ठीक है, but as of now metals में don't go and initiate any long positions, neither go and short. Okay, as of now not very clear signals on metals. Any queries guys until now?
यहाँ पे मेटल्स में RSI डाइवर्जेंस दे रहा है ना, लेकिन
हाँ डाइवर्जेंस तो है, लेकिन इलियट वेव के हिसाब से अभी इट इज नॉट येट कंफर्म्ड.
ओके
ओके, क्या शो यू वांटेड. अगर हम मंथली चार्ट देखते हैं ना मेटल्स का, this can we can also put it like something like this. This can be 1 2 3 4 5, and then this can be something like 1 2, this whole is 3 4 5, right? So अगर ये extended fifth wave हो गया, then we can expect a big rally. दूसरा जो पहले ड्राइंग किया था कि ये आपका 1 2, ठीक है, देखो ये अगर मंथली वेव में देखो तो ये 1 2 3 4 नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज ये थर्ड वेव विल बिकम द स्मॉलेस्ट, राइट? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट गाइस? अगर इसको मैं ऐसे ड्रॉ करूं 1 2 3 4 5, this will be wrong because third wave will become the shortest, right? Getting the idea guys?
यस यस
Yeah. So now if this is wrong, then what is left? The other thing can be ki this can be 1, this can be 2, this can be 3, and this is 4, and then 5 will come, right? So that shows ki metals में भी अभी है, अभी there is a chance that they will go up. But right now the problem is in metals, जितना बढ़िया ये candle बना है on a monthly chart, month though has not finished. Might happen that this chart at the end of the month looks like something like this, यहाँ पे closing हो. But as of now, it is a bit difficult to make a decision in metals क्योंकि weekly में closing भी इसने काफी negative दी है. Okay, that is the reason we cannot yet say कि metals are ready to resume the rally. Though one more thing is there, metals maybe if you see, this is the demand zone in metals. Okay, this is the demand zone in metals and it is already at its demand zone. So I will not be surprised अगर कल को टाटा स्टील वापस 100 पॉइंट ऊपर उड़ जाता है. Very much possible, but as of now I will not recommend you guys to go ahead and buy it. Okay. अब इसमें एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा ट्रेंड लाइन लगाते हैं. ठीक है. तो अब देखो इसने ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक किया है मेटल्स में. If you see on a weekly chart, we can see that this trend line has been violated already. Okay. And after violating, it went up, touched it, and again now coming down. This is known as kind of last kiss, which shows that further downside is there. So metals में अभी दोनों सिग्नल हैं. Elliott wave के हिसाब से it should go up. Okay. Normal analysis, technical analysis जो हम use करते हैं trend lines and all, उसके हिसाब से it should go down. So very much possible कि अगर Elliott wave के हिसाब से भी हम कर रहे थे तो ये हमारा 1 2 3 4 बन रहा था. हो सकता है फोर्थ वेव का करेक्शन थोड़ा लंबा चले. ओके हो सकता है ये पहले यहाँ तक आए and then it starts its fifth wave. Okay, so metals में right now I will not suggest you guys to go and buy. We'll wait and watch. Okay, कि क्या होता है metals में. No clear cut signals whether to buy or sell as of now. ठीक है? Clear guys? Any queries here? ठीक है, चलो ऑटो पे चलते हैं. ऑटो में कुछ चेंज हुआ नहीं है, जैसा लास्ट वीक था वैसा ही इस वीक है. ठीक है, still this correction is going on unless and until we see autos breaking above this trend line or we see a close above this line. दोनों में से जब तक कोई एक नहीं होता, ऑटोज में बाइंग नहीं है, सेलिंग भी नहीं करना है. ठीक है, दिस इज द डिमांड जोन इन ऑटो. ठीक है, ये हमारा डिमांड जोन है ऑटो में. आने दो इसको नीचे. यहाँ पे अगर आता है देन विल लुक एट, इस वीक में हो सकता है ये पॉसिबली ये करेक्शन खत्म हो जाए ऑटोज का. ठीक है, सो इफ वी फाइंड ऑटोज समवेयर हियर, दैट्स व्हेन वी विल लुक एट बाइंग एंड एंटरिंग ऑटो स्टॉक्स. ओके, so that's autos. Pharma looks like has completed correction away. Okay, so pharma is one sector which we will look at each of the stocks to see कहीं क्या कोई buying opportunity है, क्योंकि pharma में लग रहा है correction over हो चुका है. Okay, so pharma is one index we'll look for this week कि इसमें क्या कहीं buying possible है. Okay, फिलहाल last week जैसे हमने discuss किया था, ऑलरेडी broken the trend line, and उसके बाद देखो इस वीक में पूरा फार्मा स्टॉक्स गिरे ही हैं. Those of you who would have sorted any pharma stocks, you would have made money. So that's the only index which we were negative last week. Performed also very good as per our expectation. Now in pharma stocks, we will look to see if there is any buying opportunity. Okay, this is a small demand zone in pharma, and it is right at its demand zone. So further selling will only be taking place if we see on a daily chart pharma index closing below this demand zone. So 13450 के नीचे अगर क्लोजिंग आती है फार्मा इंडेक्स में किसी भी दिन, then we'll look at further shorting it. Okay, but as of now mostly the idea is to look for buying rather than selling. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी होता क्या है. डिपेंड करता है कि कहाँ पे क्लोजिंग आती है. अगर किसी दिन कल कोई से डेली चार्ट पे क्लोजिंग इसके नीचे आ गई, then obviously we'll be selling it. Okay, but as of now we should start looking at now finding stocks where we can go long in pharma. ठीक है, now FMCG clear cut breakout. If you are in any FMCG stock, don't sell it, keep holding it much more higher levels ahead. काफी लंबे कंसोलिडेशन के बाद FMCG स्टॉक्स, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट ये देखो दिसंबर हो गया और ये आपका सितंबर चल रहा है. पूरे 5 6 7 महीने की कंसोलिडेशन के बाद एक ऐसा बढ़िया ब्रेकआउट देखने मिला है. ठीक है, सो डोंट मिस दीज ट्रेड्स. अगर आपने मिस किया है देन यू आर गोइंग टू रिग्रेट इट अ लॉट. जिन लोगों ने FMCG स्टॉक्स खरीदे हैं, कीप ट्रेडिंग मच मोर हायर लेवल्स अहेड. ओके, विल आल्सो लुक एट सर्टेन स्टॉक्स इन FMCG टुडे टू सी कि कहीं और कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी है, या किसी में अगर कोई रिट्रेसमेंट आता है तो विल लुक एट बाइंग. ओके, But those people who bought last week after the webinar, keep holding your positions. Don't exit at much higher levels ahead. Okay. Media, nothing much as of now. Nifty गिरा, media गिरा, type का index है, इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, ठीक है. So not much to do here. Again, इसमें जब तक ये trend line break नहीं करता है, तब तक media stocks में no upside. Downside is also limited. Downside maximum somewhere around 1500, 1510 level. Unimportant, इसमें हम सीधे वो देख लेंगे, stocks देख लेंगे instead of looking at the index. Not much. Reality index is again one index we should look at buying. Okay, again reality index में अगर आप देखो, so this is at its demand zone. This is its demand zone, already at its demand zone. So from here, if we see any kind of reversal, we should start looking at buying. Okay, so reality index is also one index which we should, and stocks and reality sector we should look for next week to buy. Okay, so in reality, FMCG are two sectors जिसको हमें बाइंग के लिए देखना है. मेटल्स बिट कंफ्यूजिंग. ऑटोज में वेट करना है. अगर नीचे वाले लेवल्स पे आ जाते हैं देन वी शुड लुक टू बाय. आईटी don't look to re-enter at all. Bank Nifty again, if comes near our levels, we'll look to buy. Okay. Financials are top of their, it's just near its supply zone. Okay. From here, either financials will give you a breakout and we'll see new highs, or we will see again a downtrend in financials. So again, a bit tricky. Right now, don't look at buying. That's the reason I gave you all call to exit and profit Shriram Transport and other financials. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर ये इसके ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है तो फिर नीचे आएगा, और नीचे काफी जगह है इसके आने की. बिकॉज starts coming down, then we can look somewhere around 10 to 15% correction in financials. ठीक है, so financials again something we'll have to be a bit cautious. Okay, unless and until we see a break in financials above these levels. क्या है level around 17,670 and all, तब तक financials में buying नहीं आएगी. Okay, so we'll have to wait and watch. Okay, very much possible कि इस week में आ जाए, but हाँ अभी तक फिलहाल तो नहीं आई है. ठीक है, so right now the idea is to sit tight and stay away from them. Okay, unless and until we see a very clear cut signal. Clear guys, all the views on all the indices or any queries? Anyone, any question? Clear on all the indices?
Yes.
Yeah.
So pharma was at a demand zone, right?
Yes, that's why I said the pharma also will be looking to buy unless
Right.
and until it breaks below that.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so let's start with IT. So IT, like we discussed, we might see a bit of profit booking in this week. Okay, that was the view on IT, and the view was not to go long in IT anymore at this point. Okay, we'll wait and watch, and we'll look to re-enter when it's at its trend line support zone. Okay. So this is the chart of Tech Mahindra, very bullish. But yeah, we can see that on a weekly chart, equal amount of buying and selling is there, and then that confirms our notion that yeah, we can see a little bit of profit booking in Tech Mahindra in the coming week. Don't look to sell, obviously, because there's a very strong index and very strong stock. बहुत buying भी हुई है, so don't look to sell, but yeah, don't look to buy either. Okay, we'll see when we can buy, but right now, yeah, it's don't buy at all tomorrow. Okay, we'll wait for it to come down, come somewhere near the trend line, and that's where we'll look to buy. Mindtree has given a breakout. Mindtree looks like yeah, it can go up, but since the view on our index is to there might be a little bit of profit booking, let's reserve our call even on Mindtree only for risky traders. So people who can take a little bit of risk, they should definitely go and buy Mindtree on any kind of a retracement or fall. Rest avoid as of now. Okay, but yeah, looks like Mindtree can bump up another 300 to 600 points, and we can easily see 4,000 levels very soon. Okay, Now risky traders can buy right away tomorrow itself. Others should wait for some fall and look to buy some retracement. Okay, that's the view there on Mindtree. LTI again, like Tech Mahindra, little bit of tiredness we can see on this chart. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow. Let's all see what happens. ठीक है, सब IT stocks में एक आप वो बना लो ट्रेंड लाइन. ठीक है, अगर गिरता है then look to start buying the moment they reach near the trend line. Okay, same HCL Tech में भी similar कहानी है. इसमें भी आप ये ट्रेंड लाइन बनाओ और चुपचाप बैठो. अभी 2G बनी है, हो सकता है छोटा सा हमें मिल जाए रिट्रेसमेंट and that's where we should enter. Infi looks a bit strong, but again इसमें भी देखो both buyers and sellers are equally strong. You cannot say that it's all and all throughout buyers like Mindtree had. Okay, so again in this we should wait and watch. Okay, इसमें भी एक trend line draw करो. ठीक है, the moment we see it near this trend line, अब इसमें trend line काफी steep है, so suggest that this is a bit stronger than other like Larsen Tavo, LTI, HCL Tech, in सबसे Tech Mahindra said this is entry is a bit strong, but still we'll look to buy somewhere near the trend lines, not right away. Wipro again, same, lot of selling near the highs, so again in this minute again same काम करो, trend line draw करो, wait करो, नीचे आने दो, that's where you will look to enter. TCS is good, but though still it is good, but still I asked you guys to exit it in profit because अच्छा खासा profit already बन रहा था, so there was no point keeping it. Okay, since dollar index was also at its supply zone, so I said that you guys should also exit TCS and book some profit here. ठीक है, so book कर लिया profit, कोई बात नहीं, रखा हुआ है तो keep trailing. Okay, new buy call I'll initiate if I see it coming somewhere near this level. Okay, if TCS comes near 3400, that's where I'll be looking to re-enter again. फिलहाल के लिए I have exited. Don't re-enter at highs. Okay, Abhi, if you are already in the trade and you have not booked the profit, then keep trailing it. But yeah, fresh entry, don't do it right away. That will be somewhere around 3400. Will look to enter. ठीक है, Oracle तो थोड़ा चार्ट में आगे ही चल रहा है. बाकी सबसे जो चार्ट टेक महिंद्रा, LTI, HCL टेक में बनना चाहिए इस वीक, वो चार्ट ऑलरेडी Oracle में चल रहा है. Okay, so this is what other IT stocks should also look by the end of this week. Okay, now in this, let's see if we can where to buy. So we can draw this trend line here. Okay, let's daily call it now. Okay, so this is broken this trend line. So let's wait for Oracle also to come down near this particular trend line, and that's where we'll look to buy. Right now, again, Oracle, no need to buy. Okay. Coforge again, we have booked out profit already. Okay, so nothing to hurry on this also, and this also will have to wait and watch. Okay, right now, no point entering it. Okay, we have already booked profit. थोड़ा अगर नीचे आता है, then we'll look to buy. Okay, let's see how IT index turns out this week. We might see a good amount of profit booking in case our view on dollar is right. Okay, same emphasis again. So almost सारे IT stocks same है, apart from Mindtree, which is a clear cut buy still and can be bought. Apart from that, all other IT stocks, minor to major profit booking can be seen in this week, and that will give us an opportunity to enter again. Okay, but as of now, no buy call on any IT stocks apart from Mindtree. Okay, clear guys on IT? Any queries, anyone? चलो गाइस नीचे आते हैं, मेटल्स पे आते हैं. तो मेटल्स में देखो व्यू क्लियर नहीं था. राइट। अब देखो फॉर एग्जांपल वेदांता, वेदांता का ये पहले डिलीट करता है यार। हाँ ना, देखो वेदांता में अब फिलहाल अभी ये तो देख के क्लियर कट ये नेगेटिव ही लग रहा है। ओके, but until and unless we see a break below 245, don't look at shorting. Okay, 245 is the level. Only if we see a close below 245, that's when we should think about shorting. As of now, okay, if you're holding it, keep holding it unless and until it closes below 245. Good to hold. Okay, now let's see क्या होता है this week में. This week is very important from point of view of metal stocks a lot. If you see a recovery in metals, then a lot of people will be trapped on the wrong side. We can see a good recovery, but yeah, if it falls, a lot of people are also very long and they have made a lot of money. So metals have good room to fall. If they start falling, then 10, 20, 15, 20, 25% easily can go. Okay. Ratan money ना ऊपर गया है, sideways ही रह गया है. Neither it has gone much up, now it has fallen. So nothing more to say here. अभी भी last week जैसे ही है. This is our, ये लास्ट वीक हमने लगाया था ट्रिगर. जब तक इसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग नहीं होता बाइंग नहीं करना है. काइंड ऑफ साइडवेज राइट नाउ, सो अवॉइड इट एज ऑफ नाउ. अडानी अगेन, यू नो, जस्ट लाइक अदर मेटल स्टॉक्स, ऊपर गया बट उसके बाद नॉट डूइंग मच. ओके, सो अगेन नथिंग टू डू हियर on Adani. Adani also, if you see, this is a small demand zone, so unless we see Adani Enterprises closing below this, you should not look at shorting it. Okay, you should only look at buying it. Okay, Coal India, nothing doing, sideways move में है, कुछ नहीं करना है फिलहाल. Okay, just leave it as of now. Okay, also it looks like it has completed its correction. Okay, people can buy, but in metals we have much better, you know, opportunities than Coal India. So we'll see. अगर Coal India में अच्छा reversal आता है, I'll give you guys this coin. National Aluminium again, बहुत अच्छा फॉल हुआ है, बट सेम लाइक बिफोर. नेशनल एल्यूमिनियम में this is the demand zone, so you will not look to sell it unless it closes below this. Okay, जब तक इसके ऊपर है तब तक we'll look only to buy. Okay, as of now it looks very bearish, but yeah, let's see. Okay, weekly chart which has also broken this particular trend line. So yeah, it is very weak as of now, but don't look to sell on. We'll sell only if it closes below this. Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, I need some water. Chilled water. No? Yeah, guys. Yeah, so again, let's go on MOIL. MOIL again, if you see, it is already in its demand zone. So this is its demand zone. It's already there. MOIL is one stock which you can look to buy on reversal. If it doesn't break this, okay, if you see it closing any day above this, say अगर ये नीचे आता है, on Monday it opens down but closes above, you should look at buying. Okay, then and you can keep a target on the previous high 201 के आसपास, you can keep target on MOIL. Okay, so MOIL is one stock you can keep on radar. It's already completed its correction, so and volume is also not good on the selling side, so this is something which can go up in the next week. Okay, then SAIL again has completed its correction, but since the candle is very bearish, I will not suggest to buy it yet. Let's wait for it to show a reversal. If we see a strong reversal from here, then we'll look at buying. But as of now, only risky traders can go ahead and you can buy with options. That's the safest way. But yeah, if you buying futures is just out of question as of now. Let's wait and see. If we see a reversal coming, then yeah, this will be a very great buy here. Okay. Junk again, ये भी completed correction. So see metals में एक theme दिख रही है. जो stocks ज़्यादा भागे हैं वो गिरे भी ज़्यादा हैं. And in them correction is still left. जो stocks recently and by ज़्यादा भागने से मतलब मेरा recent few months में जो stocks sideways रहे हैं like SAIL, MOIL and all. देखो MOIL was just almost sideways, कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं है. SAIL भी almost sideways रहा, कुछ किया नहीं. So these stocks have not also fallen much. They have already, if they have fallen, they are already at their demand zone and they are ready for a up move. But stocks like Vedanta, which have gone up a lot, they have fallen also more. Okay, and on them, it's a bit difficult right now to say कि हाँ ये अभी तुरंत ऊपर जाएंगे. So in them, we'll have to wait and watch, and we'll have to see for new signals. Okay, but right now, no calls on them. ठीक है, NMDC again, it has so NMDC again, it has fallen a lot and not even near. So NMDC का अगर आप देखोगे, so this would be its demand zone somewhere here. Okay, which is still very far. So wait on NMDC. Don't rush to buy. Okay, we'll wait and watch. Okay, if we see it somewhere here, that's where we'll look to catch it if we see a reversal coming. Jindal Steel sideways था इस वीक में जब सारे metals गिरा, but again yeah, it looks like a completed correction. If it doesn't break below this level, we can see an up move, but if it breaks, yeah, in that case more downside will open up. JSW Steel again sideways था, ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है, so it has also almost completed its correction. Okay, we'll look to buy it again if we see a reversal coming, but right now again on this nothing. Tata Steel काफी बड़ा इसी तरह गिरा. Okay, now Tata Steel में देखो guys, अगर हम daily chart खोलते हैं ना, तो we will see a demand zone. Daily chart पे this is the demand zone, which we can see. Now the question is, has the correction in Tata Steel completed? अगर correction complete हो गई है, तो कल के कल we should start seeing a move in Tata Steel. नहीं, if it goes down, then it can come up to these levels, somewhere around 1245, 48. It will come. Okay. So again in Tata Steel also we'll have to wait and watch. Hindalco again यहाँ पे gap down भी मिला, फिर नीचे आया. Again Hindalco में correction is not yet completed. 380, 381 तक it can go. Okay, clearly looks like a fall. Let's see Hindalco में क्या होता है. अभी don't rush to buy it again. Okay, it has also broken this short term. I mean, it's almost at its trend line. ठीक है, let's see. अभी metals में कल ही पता चलेगा क्या होने वाला है. ये week is very crucial for metals. Either we will get a confirmed signal कि rally in metals is over and then we'll start looking to short them, or either we'll see a signal that yeah they are now reversing and new upside is available and we'll look to buy them. Okay, so देखते हैं. Same as in APL Apollo Tubes. Okay, this one is quite weak. It has also broken below the trend line, so this one can fall a bit. Okay, target on this will be around 30, 89, 90 levels. Okay, Welspun again very weak, but very near to its demand zone. This is demand zone. 110 पे है, 90, 100, 99, 100 के आसपास इसका डिमांड जोन है. Comes here, we'll look to buy. Okay, right now no action. So metals mein guys, there is no action. The only action is to wait and watch. Okay, we'll have to see. This week is crucial. We'll see what happens. ठीक है, ऑटोज मटियाते हैं, अभी छोड़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
सर हिंडाल को डिस्कस करोगे सर?
हिंडाल को बोला तो यार, हिंडाल को अभी और नीचे जाना है.
सर उसमें आपने स्टॉक ऑफ द मंथ दिया था तो सर उसमें
कोई
स्टॉप लॉस
बात नहीं यार, अब गए दिया है तो दिया है, गलत है नहीं क्या चला.
ऐसा नहीं
Okay.
सर, उसमें स्टॉप लॉस हम और नीचे जाने दे सकते हैं ना, अभी वेट कर सकते हैं
This
इसमें.
is like I said, no, this is your point. 380 के नीचे अगर जाता है, then it becomes difficult. Okay.
ओके
So
सर.
let's see. Closing अगर 380 के नीचे रहता है, then it will become a bit difficult to hold it. So we'll see then. But right now, all metals they are looking very weak. Okay. And not much signals on them to give you a clear-cut idea कि buy करना है, sell करना है. देखते हैं इस week. Then we'll make a decision. Right now, we cannot say right away कि हाँ we should go ahead and short it, or this is a good buying opportunity. We'll have to wait.
ओके सर.
फिर Fed Bank, बैंकिंग में देखते हैं. Federal Bank is again at its demand zone. The Nifty Bank mostly seems like correction is over. AU small finance तो गिरा ही नहीं है. Like financials, Nifty financials का जैसा chart है, very similar chart. If it starts falling, then it will fall a lot. Okay, but if it starts resuming, then we can see a breakout. So again, crucial level on this will be this 1385 के ऊपर जब तक close नहीं होता है, don't look at buying it. Okay, it shows a very weak closing on the weekly chart. Divergence is also there on RSI. Chances are more that we'll see it fall. Okay, so don't look at going long on this unless and until you see a breakout. RBL Bank almost has completed its correction. So I was saying until last time that this is the place where I look to go long. It's already at this place. Now I'll be waiting to see if I see a reversal or not. Unless and until I see a reversal, obviously there is no point going long. But yeah, now is the point. This will be in my watch list where I'll be looking to see a reversal. If there is a reversal, we'll go long. If it breaks down, we'll go short. Okay, so very clear cut position now on RBL. If it goes up from here on a reversal, we'll buy. If it goes down below these levels, we'll short. ठीक है. कोटक बैंक अगेन यार अपने डिमांड जोन पे ही है, कुछ करना है नहीं इसमें. इसमें भी अभी कुछ मत करो, डिमांड जोन पे है, देखते हैं क्या होता है. ये वीक में क्लियर कट सिग्नल्स नहीं है गाइस. बहुत कम स्टॉक्स है जिसमें क्लियर कट सिग्नल. HDFC अगेन ज़्यादा गिरा नहीं, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. HDFC बैंक में अगर आप ये कैंडल देखोगे, it doesn't show that bulls or bears anyone is very powerful. It's very neutral kind of candle. Okay, so काफी कम गिरा है, which is a good thing. Okay, IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक देखो, तो स्मॉल कैप बैंक्स हैं वो ज्यादा गिरे हैं अभी. अगर आप देखो अभी तक जो ट्रेंड हमने देखा, फेडरल बैंक, AU बैंक, ये सारे बैंक जो छोटे छोटे बैंक थे, they have fallen more. Bigger banks they haven't fallen much. Okay, HDFC बैंक ज्यादा गिरा नहीं है. PNB भी ज्यादा गिरा होगा, छोटा बैंक है. Again it has fallen much. Okay, but this is the demand zone in PNB. लेट इट कम हियर, जब तक नहीं आता है कुछ नहीं करना है। IDFC का डिमांड जोन इज दिस, अगेन लेट इट कम फर्स्ट। Bandhan Bank already at its demand zone, like RBL Bank will have to just wait and watch and see कि यहाँ से क्या करता है, ठीक है। Also make this trend line breaks on the upside, we'll start looking at going long on this। ICICI Bank also काफी हाइज मारने के बाद यहाँ इसमें भी थोड़ा सेलिंग आई है, लेट्स सी। फिलहाल तो this again if we draw a trend line, this is a trend line, it is following, not yet broken, so not negative as of now, okay, but obviously we cannot just go ahead and buy, we'll have to see if there's a reversal from trend line or not। IndusInd Bank sideways ka sideways, nothing much happening here, okay। IndusInd Bank अगर आप देखो तो this is the level, यहाँ से बार बार ऊपर जा रहा है, काफी नैरो रेंज में है IndusInd Bank, ऊपर में ये नीचे में ये, लेट्स सी क्या होता है, नीचे ब्रेक करता है ऊपर ब्रेक करता है, accordingly we'll have to take a call। Axis very similar to IndusInd Bank, okay, like you can just include it in two parallel lines, these things। ऊपर में ये नीचे में, okay, so same very similar to IndusInd। SBIN close below 420, I said कि 420 के नीचे निकल जाना है, so again यहाँ SBIN में now एक चीज important है, SBI में ये जो लेवल है this is a strong डिमांड जोन, सो अगेन 400 के आसपास डिमांड जोन है और वहीं पे है ऑलमोस्ट। तो बैंक निफ्टी लुक्स लाइक मोस्टली, जहां तक मुझे लग रहा है, मंडे वी माइट सी अ गैप डाउन एंड देन वी विल सी द स्टार्ट ऑफ न्यू बुल मार्केट, और वी माइट सी अ लिटिल बिट गैप अप सेलिंग एंड देन वी कैन सी अ बुल मार्केट। सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है। क्लियर गाइस, बैंकिंग में कुछ क्वेरीज क्वेश्चन? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, फार्मा देखेंगे अभी, पहले एफएमसीजी देख लेते हैं। मारिको क्लियर कट बाई है, ठीक है, यू कैन गो अहेड एंड बाय मारिको, 538 पे बाई करो, स्टॉप लॉस 512 के नीचे रहेगा, ओके, क्लियर कट बाई। डाबर भी क्लियर कट बाई है, ऑलमोस्ट देखो जितने भी एफएमसीजी स्टॉक्स हैं सारे बाई हैं नाउ, इन उसमें बस आपको देखना ये है कि आपके रिस्क रिवॉर्ड के हिसाब से कौन सा बेटर है, ठीक है। मारिको बाई है, लाइक आई सेड, यहाँ पे खरीदने का। दिस इज योर स्टॉप लॉस, टारगेट टू कीप 1:2, ओके। डाबर इज आल्सो अ बाई, स्टॉप लॉस थोड़ा बड़ा है इसमें, so you can avoid it or wait for some correction। इमामी मत खरीदो, नॉट अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल, ओके, बट हाँ ब्रेकआउट था इमामी में भी, सो अगर आप डेली चार्ट देखोगे तो इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया था और फिर इसने सेम ये जो लेवल था इस पे कंसोलिडेट होकर ब्रेकआउट दिया था, क्लोजिंग भी इसके ऊपर दी। सो इमामी इज समथिंग which a low risk taker can buy, okay, क्योंकि इसमें रिस्क बहुत कम है, you can buy here and you can keep a stop loss of 570, तो 10 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस है, ठीक है। The Imami is something which you can look, Jubilant already we were long, those who are long keep being long, those who have already booked, so 4100 पे बुकिंग करने को बोला था, जिन्होंने बुक किया ऑलरेडी काफी पैसे बने, ठीक है। ऑलमोस्ट 3700 पे हमने बाइंग स्टार्ट करी थी and it went up to कितना गया था, 4166 तक गया था, 4100 around we booked it। those who booked no issues, those who have not booked, those who want to re-enter, look to re-enter somewhere around 3850 levels if you get, chances are you will not get, but if you get around 3850 look to buy। Vago and Varun Beverages looks ready for breakout, keep it on radar, okay, for this week, this is something which can give you good money, okay, let's see If it gives you a breakout above 807, 808, look to buy. Okay, volume was also very good. ठीक है, UBL में breakout आया था, लिया था, नीचे आया. UBL is also one thing which you guys can go and buy. So mostly all FMCG stocks you can go and buy. You just have to look at your risk reward, जिसमें आपका risk आपके control में है, आपके according है, look to buy. Others one you can leave. Okay. Britannia is also looking very good, but Britannia में I did not give any trade because I'm still waiting Britannia to cross 4,000 levels. एक बार ये 4,000 क्रॉस कर लेता है तब जाके रॉकेट बनेगा. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैंने अभी तक दिया नहीं है इसमें कॉल. तो विल वेट. ओके, लेट इट क्रॉस 4,000 लेवल्स. एक बार वो क्रॉस करता है 4,000 लेवल्स तो आई विल गिव यू गाइस कॉल, बट एज ऑफ नाउ नो. Godrej property, Godrej CP, already again you can go long here. You can keep a stop loss below this. Go long, keep a stop loss below this, and keep a 1:2 target. And look to buy next month's futures here. ठीक है, ताकि you can keep holding it. टाटा कंज्यूमर 800 पे बाय किया तो ऑलरेडी 47 पॉइंट अप, 50-60 हज़ार से ऊपर प्रॉफिट चल रहा है. जिन्होंने रखा है रखे रहो, जिन्होंने बुक कर लिया है you'll regret it because much more higher levels ahead like we discussed last time. Okay, तो ये हमने लगाया था टारगेट ट्रिगर पॉइंट 800 पे क्रॉस हुआ. जिन लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम खरीदा, कीप होल्डिंग इट, नो न्यू एंट्रीज इन इट. Hind Unilever clear cut entry. Okay, but stop loss is big. Look for it to reverse a bit. थोड़ा retracement आए अगर तो don't miss it. Buy it definitely. ठीक है. Colgate Palmolive को look at buying only above this trend line. Okay. One can also buy right here because the index is very bullish. Chances are that the trade will fail is very less. So keeping that in mind, you can buy, and some stop loss भी छोटा है. If you buy it right now, आपका stop loss बहुत ही छोटा है. But keep just in mind, probability of success will be high only once it closes above the trend line. Okay, so you can choose and decide what you want to do. Okay, enter right now or later. ITC not yet any clear signal, still sideways. अभी तक मेरा इसमें long position है, देखते हैं क्या होता है. PNG again, so ये तो last week ही discuss किया था, ये अपने demand zone पे है. So look at buying. ठीक है, those who have bought it, you are already in profit. This will still remain the stop loss. ठीक है, this would be your stop loss. Target minimum this जो हाई था उसके ऊपर अगर जाता है तो much higher targets will be there. Nestle again, like Hind Unilever, you can go ahead and buy. ठीक है, बट इसमें भी वही स्टॉप लॉस बड़ा है, तो थोड़ा वेट करो, देखो रिट्रेसमेंट आता है, डोंट मिस इट. मैकडॉनल्ड्स अगेन, इसको थोड़ा इसमें आई से गो एंड बाई ऑप्शंस. थोड़ा ये जो स्टॉक है काफ़ी वोलेटाइल है, ऑप्शंस खरीद लो, ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. इन केस ये अपने हाई से 740 का जो हाई है वहाँ से रिवर्स भी करता है, ऑप्शन रहेगा, यू विल नॉट लूज मोर. Okay, so look at buying options in this. Okay, if you are comfortable buying futures, buy it as buy something in cash and hold it, because this also looks good for 800, 850 levels. Okay, so much more upside is left in McDowell's again. बहुत अच्छा वॉल्यूम है, अच्छी खासी बाइंग हुई है पिछले 2-3 महीनों से, and now it is even at higher levels. Volume has increased, which showing that people have confidence in it, and it will go much higher. ठीक है, so FMCG stocks almost all are buys. It's only about you, how you decide where, how much risk you want to take. Accordingly you take. ठीक है, clear guys? FMCG, any question? चलो आगे चलते हैं, फार्मा देख लेते हैं. तो देखो इस वीक तो सारे फार्मा स्टॉक गिरे हैं, लाइक वी डिस्कस. सन फार्मा वाज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. ठीक है, देखो लास्ट वीक ब्रेकआउट था, फिर भी आई सेड कि मत खरीदो. द रीजन वाज बिकॉज द इंडेक्स वाज लुकिंग वीक एंड दैट्स हेल्प्ड अस. avoid this loss if which we would have made if you would have gone now. But now Sun Pharma looks good. Okay. Sun Pharma looks good, and if you find Sun Pharma somewhere around 720 levels, go ahead, buy it. Okay, but yeah, see देखो जो भी खरीदने की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ऑलवेज बाई इट ऑन ए बुलिश कैंडल ऑन ए रिवर्सल। कोई भी चीज अगर गिर रही होती है तो गिरते वक्त नहीं बाई किया जाता, ये नहीं कि ऐसा गिरते हुए लाल कैंडल बन रहा है और आपका 720 आ गया, you will buy only if you see a reversal somewhere near 720, that's where you will look to buy Sun Pharma। ठीक है, सिप्ला वेट करो थोड़ा, थोड़े ही बच्चे 870 तक आने दो। 870 मतलब यही सेम इसका, दिस इज इट्स डिमांड जोन। अब अगर ये डिमांड जोन से रिवर्स करता है तो बाई करो, नहीं तो सेल करना है। एल्केम ने तो ब्रेकआउट दिया अगेंस्ट द होल इंडेक्स, वॉल्यूम इज नॉट वेरी गुड। ओके, बट इट हैज गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट। आई वाज लुकिंग एट इट ऑल थ्रू आउट, बट मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है खरीदने का कभी भी इसे। राइट नाउ ऑल्सो काफी ऊपर है, आई अवॉइड इट एज ऑफ नाउ। I also don't know why it is increasing, कोई समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा मुझे। We'll have to see, let me find out some reason logic why it is increasing, फिर देखते हैं। चलो कैडिला again look at 500 to 508 levels। अगर 500 के नीचे क्लोजिंग देता है, क्लियर कट सेल। if we see a reversal from this line, we'll look at buying। okay, लूपिन अगेन, लूपिन में तो अभी कुछ पूरा बोले बेरिश है, अभी खरीदना वरीदना कुछ नहीं है, वेट करो। ठीक है, लेट इट कम समवेयर नियर 850, then we'll see। Torrent Pharma looks good। okay, Torrent Pharma looks good। actually it is good। this is one pharma stock, if you want to compulsively trade in pharma, you can go and buy this one। okay, I will avoid as of now। okay, I'll avoid, I'll try to keep minimum stop loss, I'll try to buy only very closer to the trend line। okay, Oro Pharma clear cut bearish, broken almost every demand zone, so much lower levels ahead। okay, Oro Pharma में clear cut sell था, लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था। ठीक है, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था, this was last week's candle, right? So last week's candle which was just near the supply zone, demand zone। okay, so those who sold below, they would have already made good profit। नहीं किया है कोई बात नहीं, अभी बाई नहीं करना है, अभी भी बेरिश है। ठीक है, right now also no buying call on this। okay, let's wait and watch, much lower levels ahead, it can go very easily to 600, 550, 500 levels, so avoid it as of now। Divi's Lab looks good। Divi's Lab looks good। अगर आप ट्रेंड लाइन बनाओ, ट्रेंड लाइन पे सपोर्ट ले रहा है। Pharma index is also taking support, so now Divi's Lab is something which you guys can look at buying। if it breaks below the trend line, then exit it, but yeah, right now you can initiate, very good risk reward is here on Divi's। okay, if in Divi's you see, this is your risk max, this is your reward minimum। okay, so very good risk reward is there in Divi's, you one can go and start looking to buy। ठीक है, so Divi's is one pharma stocks which you should buy tomorrow। okay, keep a very small stop losses there, you can keep that। Biocon again another pharma stock which has almost completed its correction। okay, and if you see a reversal in Biocon now, then look to buy because it's at its demand zone। डॉक्टर रेड्डी, हाँ डॉक्टर रेड्डी का डिमांड जोन है यहाँ, this is the demand zone for Dr. Reddy। wait and watch, let it come first in this region around 4100 levels, then we'll look to buy। right now no calls in this, so pharma में Sun Pharma Biocon, Divi's is something which you guys can look at buying. Cadila, we might have to wait a bit before initiating a buy. And Dr. Reddy also will have to wait a bit before initiating a buy. Oro is totally negative. Torrent Pharma stop loss is big, but yeah, you can buy. Lupin again will have to wait before entering or making a buy call. Okay, clear guys, Pharma? Any questions? Sure, good. हाँ, सबको सब समझ में आ रहा है, ट्रेड कोई नहीं लेता है, तो प्रॉब्लम है. Reality में again, like I said, index almost has completed its correction. Okay, we'll have to see reality में क्या opportunities हैं. Godrej Properties, good opportunity we can see here at its trend line. Okay, you can look at buying. बहुत छोटा सा stop loss है, so this is one thing which you guys can keep in your watch list. Look to buy tomorrow. Phoenix, nothing as of now, looks negative. Don't enter. Shobha again, देखो अभी this is also not yet positive. ये आप बनाओ एक छोटा सा ट्रेंड लाइन, ये वीकली चार्ट है इसलिए सब ट्रेंड लाइन छोटे लग रहे हैं, डेली पे आपको अच्छे समझ में आएगा. Once it breaks above this trend line, that's when you should look to buy Shobha. Prestige, nothing yet, no calls. Sideways, DLF, very negative as of now. Don't enter. IB real, yeah, this one looks good. Just looks like it has completed its correction. And this is demand zone. If you see a reversal from here, you can go and buy that. Brigade, again, yeah, this again looks good. But yeah, see, we have better opportunities in, pharma and FMCG than we have in these things, reality stock. So it's again where you want to put money, you should put money at some place where the chances of success are better. So pharma index looks better if it sees a rebound, and FMCG already has given a rebound. Okay, so those two are the sectors you should try and be into. Okay. Overall, again, looks like it's completed its correction almost at its demand zone. And we bought if we see a reversal. Suntech में हम बना सकते हैं trend line, and we can wait a bit. Once its correction is complete, look to buy near the trend line. ठीक है guys, so ये हो गया हमारा and reality इसमें LNT क्यों नहीं है. हाँ, so LNT again guys, देखो अपने डिमांड जोन में है, और अगर हमें LNT में कल बाइंग दिखती है, LNT शुड बी समथिंग विच एवरी वन ऑफ यू शुड बाई. ओके, डिमांड जोन में भी है, ट्रेंड लाइन में भी अच्छी जगह पे है, छोटा सा स्टॉप लॉस है. इफ यू सी अ रिवर्सल, go ahead and buy it. We can see much higher levels in LNT in coming week. ठीक है, so reality done. बचा क्या, financials और मीडिया और ऑटो. ओके, financials से पहले स्टार्ट कर.
Sir, one question. So
Yeah.
when we say look to buy on reversal, should we go to the smaller charts, hourly charts, and there if we see a bullish candle, then we buy?
Yeah. See, if you see early chart, your stop loss will be a bit bigger. See, it's all about risk, reward, and probability. Okay. A chart which gives a buy signal on a weekly chart gives a better buy signal than what a 5-minute chart will give you. But then in a weekly chart, the buy signal will also have a bigger stop loss. Okay. So when I say look at buying on reversals, if you use a 5-minute chart, your stop loss might be very small. So even if you end up being wrong, you lose small. If you start looking at 1 hour chart, then your stop loss might be big. Okay.
Right.
While your probability of success also might be better. Okay.
Okay.
So that is a decision which you'll have to take. अब उसके लिए you can hedge to minimize your risk. Okay, you can do something like that. So up to you, like how you want to do it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
चलो. So let's start with financials. Shriram Transport Finance already at its demand zone. This is its demand zone. Already at its demand zone. If it goes below this, then much lower levels ahead. Okay, still it, but we have already booked it out, so no issues on our side. We'll wait and watch. देखते हैं क्या करना है आगे. अगर कहीं buying मिलती है तो लेंगे. फिलहाल तो we don't hold it, so no issues on that. PFC again looks weak. Okay, still the correction remains incomplete and we can see further fall in that, so don't buy. M&M Finance. ये भी वीक ही लग रहा है. एक मिनट होल्ड. So M&M Finance is also looking weak, but again, it's at its demand zone. Okay, so we can see a reversal and hit again. Okay. HDFC breakout दिया, continue किया, ज़्यादा गिरा भी नहीं, good message. ठीक है. We discussed last time to buy this because it broke this particular trend line. Still continuing the uptrend. Those who have not bought, no issues. Wait for it. If you see a bit of retracement on it, look at buying it. Okay. जब भी retracement के बाद ऊपर आना शुरू करता है, look to buy HDFC. Okay. HDFC AMC. Wait करो. Right now, no call. Wait for this trend line to be broken, then we'll buy. REC looks weak. Ignore it. SBFC Life again at its demand zone. Okay, but much better stocks are there, so why enter that? Still, if you want, you can buy it. PL, healthy correction, I'll say this one is. Okay. PL ने अच्छा flag and pole बनाया, breakout दिया, another flag it looks like is forming. Okay, so again look at PL की to buy. Okay, कभी भी correction खत्म होके reversal आता है, that would be the point you should look at buying. How you can do that? You can make a trend line. Okay, this will be a trend line. ये trend line बनाओ आप. ठीक है. The moment it is near this trend line and shows a reversal, that's where you should look at buying. Muthoot, nothing. Leave it. ICICI Pru, don't do anything yet. General Insurance, इसमें भी कुछ नहीं है करने को. SBI Life looks good. Okay, this one looks good. Can be bought. Okay. Stop loss थोड़ा बड़ा है. Okay. और 1095 का भी अच्छा stop loss है, which you guys can keep and buy. But again, see guys, there will always be so many buys and sells and buys and sells. What you will need to do, you'll have to pick. You cannot buy all of it. Okay. You cannot sell all of it. You cannot leave all of it. You'll have to start looking at which are the best ones. Now again, यहाँ पे देखो, it's not much, not such a good chart. Okay, volume is low, so it's a buy, but I will not buy it. Bajaj Finance looks very good. Bajaj Finserv. Okay, it looks very good. ठीक है, अच्छा stock है, good pedigree stock, trading अच्छी होती है, volatility अच्छी होती है, movement अच्छा होता है. Problem बस एक है, volume कम है. So right now, don't look at buying here at the high. Wait for it to retrace a bit, come somewhere near this trend line. That's where you should initiate a buy.
Can you go to ICICI GI? Just 1 minute.
Nothing is there, sir.
Yeah, if you put a trend line, then it is also at support, no?
This, हाँ, but वही कुछ करने लायक नहीं है. If you make a trend line, this will be a trend line. This is one. And you can buy it, but a better trade will come once it gives you a breakout of this level. Right now, yes, you can buy it. You can buy it from here or here, something like this. But a better trade will be somewhere here. If it comes here, that's the better trade. Okay, so
Right.
the point is put money somewhere where it can make you most money. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Bajaj Finance now, it again, see, it has given a breakout almost. It is whole week it has risen. Okay, last week we discussed that if it goes about this level, we should buy. Volume is not that great again, like Bajaj Finserv. Okay, so people should either buy option or they should wait for a retracement before entering. Okay, don't go ahead and buy futures on this as of now because stop loss is good. Okay, at the very volatile stock, your stop losses will keep it. ठीक है, सो बचा क्या अब ऑटो और मीडिया. ऑटोज में गाइस देखो करेक्शन अभी कंप्लीट तो नहीं हुई है इंडेक्स की, सो अगेन विल नॉट फाइंड मच ट्रेड्स. अशोक लेलैंड एट द ट्रेंड लाइन, लेट्स सी इफ इट रिवर्सल और नॉट. हमारा राजा लास्ट वीक ये डिस्कस किया था कि इस लाइन के अगर नीचे आता है सेल करना है. जिन्होंने सेल किया दे वुड हैव मेड मनी, जिन्होंने नहीं किया कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, सो लेट्स वेट अभी. No buy signals as of now. Okay, but yeah, if you want to sell, the point is that index is almost near its completion. So don't look at selling as of now. Just stay out. We'll look at buying once we get a better opportunity. Okay. TVS Motor looks like a flat correction, which is almost complete. Okay, this is also it's if you see, you will also be able to see it's on a demand zone almost. Okay, so you can see TVS Motor reversing now. Okay, Balkrishna again consolidation uptrend can resume. इसके लिए थोड़ा smaller time frame chart खोलो and make a trend line. जब तक ये trend line break नहीं होता, no trade in it. Okay. So as of now, no trade. Only if the trend line breaks, you'll look at buying. But as of now, no trade. Exide again, another one which has fallen like anything. Almost near its support area, but not a buy as of now. M&M में भी कुछ नहीं यार. Wait for M&M में भी ये trend line break हो. The trade will come only above this trend line. Okay, only above this trend line will look to buy. Hero Moto again इसमें सब में almost similar. देखो एक इंडेक्स देख लो, सारे almost similar एक्ट करेंगे. Again जब तक ये ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर नहीं आता, no buys. Tata Motors almost at its demand zone. Yeah, Tata Motors at its demand zone. Let's wait and watch. ठीक है कि ये नीचे अगर जाता है, this will be a stop loss around 260. So let's see 260 तक जाता है, रिवर्स करता है, then we'll look to buy. As of now, no trade. MRF again at its demand zone. Wait for it, very closer to it. I shall see again at its demand zone, given a reversal. Abhishek or Akash, someone also made money in it by buying themselves. I did not guess call. Okay, so that's also there. Okay, so those who want can buy it again. Looks good, but yeah, volume is also good. So you know, risk worth taking. You can buy here, keep a stop loss below this.
सुबह एक
Bosch.
लॉट होल्ड करके रखा है अभी फ्यूचर इसका.
हाँ, रखे रहो अभिषेक, फिर कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. It looks good.
ठीक है.
फिर बॉश क्या करना होगा. बॉश अगर आप देखो अगेन एट इट्स डिमांड जोन. ठीक है, सो ऑलमोस्ट ऑटो स्टॉक्स आर नियरिंग करेक्शन, बट अभी करेक्शन खत्म हुआ नहीं. ठीक है, तो आई थिंक दिस वीक माइट बी द लास्ट वीक जिसमें हमें ऑटो स्टॉक्स में थोड़ा और गिरावट दिखे, एंड फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल बी लुकिंग एट बाई सिग्नल्स इन ऑटो स्टॉक, बट एज ऑफ नाउ दिस वीक नॉट मच। सो आज का अगर देखो वेबिनार तो हमें बहुत कम places हैं जहाँ we can buy, very limited, you know, opportunities we have. Mostly it is in pharma and FMCG. Okay, rest are not that good or not that clear cut. So even this is the last week. You guys have already made some money. I'll try to protect my profit, I'll say. So if you have made good money, I'll say stop trading for this week because very little options, and जो भी अभी signals हैं they are very weak. Okay, not very clear cut opportunity जिसमें जाके you can just thumb the table and say कि नहीं भाई ये खरीदना है ये बेचना है. Okay, so try and avoid trading this week. Okay, mostly you will get trades which will be hitting stop losses more. Okay, only FMCG and pharma is where you can take trades. So in that, just look at your risk reward, and unless and until risk reward is good, don't get into that trade. Okay, this is media में देखो Sun TV में nothing is there. Okay, still sideways. PVR में भी as of now nothing. G में nothing. Inox nothing. Diagram TV nothing. टीवी टुडे ने बीच में ब्रेकआउट देने की कोशिश करी थी जब मैंने ट्रेड दिया था, बट फिर वो क्लोजिंग ऐसी हो गई. सो नथिंग है. डीटी कॉर्प में भी नथिंग. नेटवर्क 18. तो नथिंग इज देयर इन दीज स्टॉक्स आल्सो अगेन. ओके, अब इसमें भी आपको बैठना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा वेट करो. ओके, एंड विल सी नेक्स्ट वीक. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक वी माइट हैव मच मोर सिग्नल्स, बट यार दिस वीक वी हैव वेरी लिटिल सिग्नल्स. आई थिंक पूरे इस महीने में सबसे कम हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज इसी वीक हैं. ओके, सो बी कॉशियस गाइस. लास्ट वीक है, डोंट लूज मनी. Okay, last week is there, so high chance that people and shorts that are trapped, they might be taken to the cleaners and we can see reversals on indices. Okay, so let's see. ठीक है, done here guys. काफी quickly हो गया आज तो. Any questions anyone?
Sir, oil and gas.
Oil and gas यार, हाँ Reliance and all में देखते हैं हम आज. एक चीज देखते हैं. ठीक है, सर नो लेट्स देख लेते हैं जो बच्चे रह गए हैं इसमें. So let's just see quickly. There is something. Gujarat Gas, nothing. RP, nothing. A60 again, A60, you can just draw a trend line. If it breaks above that, then only you have to take trade. Adani I discussed. Adani Port, nothing. Well, can discuss. हमारा किसान भूजा. अब ये कहीं भी आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिखे ना ऐसा, तो हमेशा उसमें ट्रेंड लाइन बनाओ. अब मैं वीकली देख रहा हूँ, डेली चार्ट में बनाओगे ज्यादा क्लियर समझ में आएगा. और जब भी ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर क्लोजिंग दिखे, यू कैन बाय. ओके, वेरी क्लियर. अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स लुक्स गुड. अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स का एक्चुअली वी शुड इंक्लूड इन आवर वेबिनार वॉच लिस्ट. Apollo Hospital guys looks good, but why you will have to wait for a retracement to enter. Right now you cannot enter. Okay. So, Apollo Tire, nothing. Ashok Land, Asian Paint. Asian Paint looks good. Asian Paint can be bought. This is one stock you guys should buy actually. Okay, so Asian Paint may just put one alert somewhere around 3100 first, 3180. Okay, and if it crosses that, just buy. Volume is also good. You're buying none Oro Bank. और जिसमें बंधन में बाटा इंडिया देख लेते हैं. बाटा में nothing to do. Budget Paint, nothing to do as of now. BL, Bharat Forge. Guys, Bharti Airtel is a buy. Bharti Airtel you guys can buy. Okay, you can keep this as a stop. बहुत छोटा stop loss है 596 के आसपास stop है. You can buy Bharti Airtel. Okay. Reversals पे खरीदना, नीचे जाता रहे तो मत खरीदना. And almost we have discussed all here. I think very little stocks are there. Oh, Concur होगा, Cummins होगा. But I'll do one thing. I'll put all these stocks जो थोड़े मोड़े बचे रह गए हैं ना. I'll put all of that also in our webinar discussion one. As of now, I don't see much stocks which are left for discussion. Havels is there. You can put Havels में alert, and then you can look at buying Havels if it goes over 1267. Okay. But this looks good, guys. This is also something which you guys can buy. I think this is something we should definitely buy. The LNT technology looks very good. Okay, this you should buy tomorrow. It's a good one. Flag and pole formation breakout. This can go really very well. ये जरूर खरीदना. This looks really good. Yes, oil and gas में you guys can buy Petronet LNG. Very good reversal from the demand zone. बहुत अच्छा ही रिवर्सल है. This is also something which you guys can buy. 226 पे खरीद सकते हो. छोटा सा स्टॉप लॉस है. टारगेट मिनिमम 270 का रखोगे. ठीक है. Oil we discussed very clearly. Crude oil is also at its demand zone and will now resume its upward rally. So this is something you guys should look at buying. Definitely. Pidilite also you guys can buy. Looks very good. Pidilite can be bought somewhere around 2271. देखो स्टॉप लॉस अगर बड़ा ये जैसे दिख रहा है इसमें ना, इसमें छोटा करने के लिए हमेशा आर्ली चार्ट खोल लो. आर्ली चार्ट when you open you can see a smaller stop loss. Okay, like if you buy somewhere here Pidilite you can keep somewhere stop loss 2240. ठीक है. And you can be in this trade. Lines तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा, sideways है अभी. Titan looks good, guys, but it has already run a lot. Okay, so again, Titan may look at buying on retracement, not yet. अल्ट्राटेक अच्छा दिख रहा है इस वीक के लिए, कैन बी बॉट. Look at, we can look at buying this one. Okay, so add these things and watch list. Okay, Ultratech looks good. Definitely, I might give a call on this tomorrow. You will already discuss. You will mentor. UPL. Mentors, nothing. ठीक है guys. हो गया सारे फैनो स्टॉक्स हो गए सारे. तो अभी जो हमने देखा उसमें पेट्रोनेट वाज गुड. You can buy that. Ultratech look good. One more Siemens stock, Ambuja या SEC का, that was looking good. Okay. LTTS was looking good. So these things you can definitely buy types. Okay. So look at them. Open an hourly chart or a 2-hour chart to find a smaller stop loss. Try to hedge it if you see that the stop loss is beyond the risk taking appetite and get into those trades. Okay. Done guys? Anything? Anyone?
सर
हाँ.
सर इसका लिंक मिलेगा सर? स्टार्टिंग के 15-20 मिनट सर मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहा था, कुछ इश्यू हो
पूरा ही
रहा
मिल
था.
जाएगा, पूरा ही मैं दूंगा.
है ना? और
I'll
सर
send you guys.
और किसी ने चैट में सर गैलेंट मेटल्स का लिखा हुआ है.
गैलेंट में तो बताया तो था. गैलेंट मेटल अभी फिलहाल सारे मेटल स्टॉक्स, चाहे वो गैलेंट हो चाहे टाटा स्टील हो, राइट नाउ नथिंग, नो clear view is there on these stocks as of now. Okay, we will have to wait. Galen can fall further to 59.60. Okay,
थैंक यू सर.
before reversing.
हाँ,
चलो
अश्विन
भाई.
भाई, भाई एक 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 स्टॉक है एसएमसी ग्लोबल. आप उसे एक बार चार्ट खोलना, एक उसका पॉइंट समझना मुझे.
SMC ग्लोबल. SMC
Yes,
ग्लोबल तो
yes.
ब्रोकर है.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब मैंने लिया नहीं, मैंने उसका चार्ट देखा था तो वही चीज पूछना आपसे.
मत खरीदो
हाँ, अब
बेकार
जैसे
है.
ना एक बार
Don't
डेली
buy.
डेली टाइम. अच्छा, मैं देख रहा हूँ कि इसमें जो वॉल्यूम आया बाइंग साइड पे, उसके बाद फिर प्राइस नीचे आ रहा है, लेकिन नीचे
ये
साइड पे ना
स्टॉक
वॉल्यूम नहीं है
वीकली
शायद.
चार्ट पे गिरे जा रहा है जब सारे सिक्योरिटी कंपनीज अच्छे कर रहे थे. देयर इज नो पॉइंट बाइंग सच अ कंपनी. लीव इट.
ओके ओके.
एनीथिंग एल्स? एनीवन?
भाई कावेरी सीड देखना एक बार.
नहीं रहने दो. वैसे सिर्फ एफएनओ स्टॉक देखते हैं, मैं देख ले रहा हूँ, बट नॉट लाइक दिस. ओके, ऐसे तो फिर 2000 स्टॉक्स देखने पड़ जाएंगे, कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका. नथिंग यार, नथिंग इन दिस. कावेरी सीड आल्सो, ये सब सीजनल स्टॉक है यार. कावेरी सीड हो गया, जैन इरिगेशन हो गया. बजट आता है तब खरीदना होता है, बाकी टाइम देखना भी नहीं चाहिए. टाइम वेस्ट है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कौन सा स्टॉक कब देखना है कब नहीं देखना है. ठीक है, कावेरी सीड, जैन इरिगेशन, आईटीसी, ये सब जैसे स्टॉक हैं, ये सब सीजनल स्टॉक्स हैं. ठीक है, वोल्टास, हैवेल्स. ठीक है, चलो गाइस, लेट्स एंड इट फॉर टुडे. Enjoy your day and the festival, and I'll try to upload this today itself. Okay, so that you guys can, जो missed can see it. ठीक है, चलो, take care guys, everyone. Bye bye. Ta-da.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
बाय बाय.
बस
ओके ओके.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashwin.